If you want to uninstall the Grammarly extension from Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove Grammarly from your browser in just a few seconds. This is useful if you no longer need the extension, want to troubleshoot browser issues, or simply want to clean up your Chrome extensions. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the puzzle piece icon. This is the extensions menu and it shows all of the browser extensions currently installed in Chrome. After that, you'll see a list of your extensions. Find Grammarly in the list, then click the three vertical dots next to it. This opens the options menu for that extension. From the drop-down menu, click Remove from Chrome. Chrome will then ask you to confirm that you want to uninstall the extension. In the pop-up box, click Remove to finish the process. Once you do that, Grammarly will be removed from Google Chrome completely. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully uninstalled the Grammarly extension from Chrome. If this tutorial was helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.